1803, Panama was an independent country when Kraft was founded.
1898, when Jell-O was founded, most Americans still lit their homes with candles.
1898, when Jell-O was founded, most Americans still lit their homes with candles.
1898, Entenmann was founded the year America declared war on Spain.
1898, Entenmann was founded the year America declared war on Spain.
1868, Tabasco was founded the same year several states were readmitted to the U.S. after the Civil War.
1868, Tabasco was founded the same year several states were readmitted to the U.S. after the Civil War. 1886, Monte Foods was founded the year Geronimo surrendered to the U.S. 1853, Keebler cookies may have been stocked in Abraham Lincoln's White House.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.